Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to school after your nice winter break. So we are in a new year. I hope you celebrated New Year's somehow because it is now 2021. It's not 2020 anymore. It's not 2020. It's 2021. And we're in a new month. This is one that starts with a J. What month starts with a J? January. It's January. And we've already, you didn't have school on the first day of January. That was a Friday. And then the second was Saturday. The third was Sunday. You had a day off yesterday, too, on the 4th. So, let's figure out what today is. Gosh, it's been so long. Can we remember what the days of the week are? Let's say them together and be sure. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I said Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Here we are. What number would you expect to see here? Yes, 5 comes right after 4. Right? So let's say the date today. Now remember, we got to say 2021. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. All right. So we already said yesterday was Monday. What do you think tomorrow will be? What day comes after Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You got it. And what number would you expect to see after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. All right. So this week in math, we're going to be looking at shapes. And we're going to talk about some different things about shapes. So I drew 3 shapes up here. I drew a triangle, a circle, and a square. And we're going to talk about things like sides. How many sides does the shape have? How many, now listen to this word, this is a big word, vertices. Okay? A vertice is where it meets, where 2 straight lines meet in a point. So we're going to figure out how many vertices they have, how many sides they have. All right? So let's look at the triangle. Now, sides are straight lines. Anything that has a straight line is a side. So let's count the sides on a triangle. I'll just number them as we go. So there's 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Now, we want to figure out everywhere those sides meet makes a vertice. Okay? So we want to figure out how many vertices there are, or where straight lines meet. All right. So let's see. Oh gosh, look up here. There's 1, here's 1, and here's 1. So it also has 3 vertices. Okay. Let's look at the circle. Uh-oh. How many sides does a circle have? And you can't say 1 because a circle doesn't have any straight lines. This is just one big curved line, right? It's a curve. There are no straight sides. So it has 0 sides. If it doesn't have any sides, it can't have any vertices because there's no place where lines meet. Okay? So this is 0 and 0. Now let's look at this square. Now, what do we know about squares? Well, we know they have 4 sides, and those sides are all the same size. And that's what makes it different from a rectangle, because a rectangle has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. But a square, all the sides are the same size. So let's count those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely 4 sides. Now we want to find all the vertices, all the places those straight lines meet. Okay. So I'm going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices. All right. Good job. Okay. Now let's move on. We have a new word family this week. It's UG. Okay, UG. UG. So we're going to add some letters to UG and make some new words. So I'm going to look up here and I say, well, AUG. How about BUG? What if I add B to the beginning of UG? I'll get bug. Yep. And then what if I add D to the beginning? DUG. I have bug with a B, and then I added a D. Notice how those are opposite. The belly on the B goes toward the word. The belly on the D goes away from the word. So DUG. Bug. Did you say Doug? Dug, like I dug a hole. How about, let's put H. Bug, dug, hug. Oh, and this is a good one. I'm going to put J in the front. J-U-G. Now look how those tails on the J and the G go way down. Those are lowercase. So if I put a J there, it must be jug. How about an M? You might drink cocoa out of this. A mug. And you might have this on the floor. If you add an R to UG, you get rug. And I think there's another one that starts with a T. Tug. All right. So make sure you're practicing those UG words this week. Write them down. All right, let's see. Maybe we can, we have new sight words this week too. They're up and so, and they're two-letter words. Up is spelled U-P and so is spelled S-O. Let me see. Maybe I can think of a question to write with up and so in it. How about, let's see. I'm going to count. Why are you up so late? Did you ever stay up too late? All right, how many words? 5, 6. I need 6 words. The first one is why, and that wh sound at the beginning is W-H. And then it takes a Y. Okay? If you want to write along with me, you go right ahead. Capital W-H-Y. Why. My second word is R. Why R? And R, gosh, that sounds just like the letter R, right? But we have to have some vowels in there. So I'm going to leave a nice space and write A-R-E. That spells R. A-R-E. Y-R. The next word is Y-O-U. Y-O-U spells U. Leave a nice space. Put Y-O-U. Y-R-U. And now I'm going to use my sight word up. And I told you it takes 2 letters. U and P. You can hear those so clearly. Up. U-P. Y-R-U. Up. And then I'm going to use another sight word, so. That's S and O. Leave a nice space though. Y-R-U. Up. So. Now my last word is late. Watch. My tongue goes right in between my teeth when I say that word. Late. Starts with, just like leaf and lamp and lion, starts with L. What's the next sound you hear after the L? A. Oh gosh, definitely long A. It said its own name. What's next? A. T. And then it needs a silent E on there to make that A say its name. Why are you up so late? What kind of mark do I need? Well, why is a question word. If you start your sentence with why, asking a question, I think we need a question mark. Do you remember how to make a question mark? We're going to make that curve down dot. Put your question mark at the end. Why are you up so late? Maybe you can write the answer to that too when we're finished. Something to think about. Welcome to 2021.